Hi, this is Tiffany with Pronto Body Shop. I'm here today to answer the question I get almost every single day. And that's, hey, Tiffany, I have a $500 deductible. Can you waive it in my claim? And the answer is, I'm sure we could help you out with some, but just remember, if a shop is going to waive $500 worth of their profit, they're probably not going to be doing something, that they said. Because think, if a customer or has a $2,000 insurance claim and they have a $500 deductible, there's not $500 of profit to waive in there. So you just have to be really careful. If somebody says, yes, they're going to waive $500, you need to make sure you actually know what they're going to be doing to your vehicle and what they're not going to be doing. Just remember to always ask questions, and if it doesn't feel right, then go with your gut and maybe go somewhere else. And always check their reviews online and with the Better Business Bureau. Again, if you ever have any car questions, give us a call here at Pronto Body Shop.